trade wedges, and let me just show you, how, I think they're fairly easy to trade. Some people have trouble, but I think they're pretty easy. So, we have a support. You can see it right here. Just pop a line on here. Okay, and wedge is just simply this right here. We're going to go from the top down to roughly in here somewhere. Okay, so you can see there's the wedge forming right there, and so we'll be looking for a move down. We know that this is a downtrend, okay, or the start of a downtrend, I should say, because we have a lower high here. Okay, so because we have a lower high, we'll be looking for this to move on down. So let's just see what happens as we scroll the screen a little bit here. And you can see down she goes, okay, and now we got another wedge forming, as you can see right here. So because of that, I'm just going to put a support line on here first. You can see right there is the support, and we'll draw the top of the wedge here from this one right here down. Okay, so now you can see the wedge is forming. To get a good line on there like that. Okay, so there's the wedge. Once again, we're looking for it to come down here. Now, one thing that I want to make a point of is that whatever this leg is here is what it's going to try to do on the breakout here. So you can see, you could simply measure from here down to here. Okay, and whatever that value is, just subtract it from this bottom support line, and that's what it's going to try to do. So we'll just try to see if we can see where she goes, and as you can see, as I said, that right there equals that right there, as you can see. Okay, so now we're getting maybe the start of another one here. So just see what happens. Okay, so we're getting a pretty good wedge here. All right, so we'll put another support line on down here. All right, and I'm going to mark the top here. So this time we're coming right off these tops right here. Should have gone a little further than that. Just extend that out for you. You kind of get the idea. Okay, so once again, we're looking forward to break out south. So see if she does that. There's a test, and back up, and you can see the wedge, and perhaps we're all done at this point in time. And nope, not quite. Okay, so now we can see that the wedge was actually actually drawn it a little too soon, but that's okay. It's pretty easy to see now that it actually extended all the way to here. All right, so that's it. And once again, you can see that this leg right here is about what it did right here. So in this little small move here, we had 3 descending wedges, and it goes down. Each one of these lines is what we call a T30. It's a 30 pip target. So the market respects these T30s. They're given automatically on our charts, but they're once we get a break, we're looking for that 30 pip target to the next one. Break here, we're looking for a 30 pip target to the next one. Break here, see how it goes down the 30 pip target right there. Break here, right down here. Here's a 30 pip target right here. So it's just a continuous situation over and over and over again. So descending wedges are definitely something you need to put into your toolbox and watch for them. I tell my students that you need to draw 200 to 500 of them before you get good at it. So, you start your homework now, go do your 200 to 500, and by the time you get done with that, you'll have convinced yourself that descending wedges is really something that you need to be trading and watching for. Thanks, hope that helps you.